We'll guide you through how to check if your WhatsApp account is logged in on another device. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So you're interested in checking if WhatsApp is linked to another device or devices. You may have done this yourself, perhaps over time you've gone and linked it to computers, iPads and other devices as well, and perhaps you just want to go and review these and go and log them out and stop them having access. Or perhaps you're concerned that somebody else may have access to your account. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how you can go and see the other devices your WhatsApp is linked to. And what you can do is you can go and stop this because, of course, if they are linked, just consider that on those devices, messages can be sent and they also can go and be viewed. Everything you go and send on WhatsApp, and as well as that, photos and videos as well. So it's a good idea to go and check this as it is quite a private thing. And as I said, we're guiding you through how you can use them both an iPhone or an Android as it is slightly different. So if you're on an Android, you go to the top right of the chats page and you press the three dots. And there you can just press link devices and they'll show up. However, on an iPhone, what you need to do is head to the bottom right and you can go and find the option for settings and tap there, and it'll then go and open up. There are different sections here, but what we need to do is go and find the option for linked devices, and you can then go and tap there like so, and then you can go down and see the different ones here. So you can see I've got 2 here, you may have more or less, it doesn't matter. So you can go and see if you recognize these and whether you want to go and keep them logged in. If you do decide you want to go and log one out and remove it from your account, you can go and tap on it. You can see info about it, which is useful, like the activity, the platform, and the link location. And it'll go and see that the messages are synced there. So what I can do to go and remove it is press log out. And I can then go and confirm the decision by pressing log out again. And it's now logged out. That's it. It's now gone from the list. So it's that simple. And of course, you can repeat that. But that is how you can go and check them there. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.